This is the Gym Fitness Center tour on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas cruise ship. The entrance to the fitness center can be accessed from both Deck 5 and Deck 6. This has a 2-story gym. On Deck 5, you go out to the running track. The running track along the side of the ship takes you out to the front, and the entrance is at the front. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see the entrance on Deck 6 on the upstairs level. Here at the entrance, there's a nice water bottle refill station. You go in through these double doors. There's also many water refill stations throughout the entire gym. It is also open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. There are many cardio machines available, from treadmills, stationary bikes, ellipticals, step mills, rowers, on this side as well as the other side of the gym and up on the upstairs level as well. There are multiple restrooms in the fitness center, so you don't have to go back out through the spa in order to use the restroom. There are also daytime use lockers to keep your personal items protected and stored. This stairway leads to the upper deck of the gym on Deck 6. This can be an exit or an entrance. This is the entrance or exit from the fitness center onto Deck 6.